Hello everyone, we are Group A56. Our topic is the impact of sharing economy principles on the hospitality industry, Airbnb as an example. Our context is divided into four main parts.
The first part is the introduction. The sharing economy, also known as the collaborative economy or cooperative economy, is an economic model. Individuals can provide their ideal resources to others, and the demanders can obtain these resources at a lower cost without having to own or buy them in the traditional way. Our example is Airbnb. I think everyone knows it. It is very famous around the world. Airbnb is a short-term accommodation sharing platform. And you can see from the data, the pandemic had a significant impact on both the hotel industry and the Airbnb. In 2020, Airbnb's revenue declined sharply, but thanks to its flexible sharing economy model, Airbnb achieved strong growth. This reflects the growing demand for flexible and personalized accommodation options. The personalized advantage of Airbnb is flexibility and diversity in hospitality. Because Airbnb hosts can share interests or accommodation preferences with other users, they can provide flexible services according to the personal needs of customers, such as providing more competitive prices and more diverse room types than traditional hotels in the market during the peak tourist season, making it easier for guests to make decisions.
I will talk about the lecture review, which is divided into two parts. The first part is the impact of shared economy on the hotel industry. The good efforts include providing possible to increase customers and changing the way of traditional hotels to cope with market demand growings. The bad efforts is high-speed expansions. Secondly, what's the relationship between the customer and the shared economy? The trust mechanism becomes important. The way customers access information changes. Overall, both of them have chances and challenges. So what's the difference between Airbnb and the traditional hotel industry? We measured in Chapter 3 research methods. Firstly, our main research aims to exercise the natural influence between these two. Our research scope is the global from 2020 to 2023, as evidenced by these three ways. Initially, we use the data published by reports and press force and focused on Airbnb's data, and then exercise the data according to this random forest regression model of mobile impact exercise. Now, let's look at the table and the model. MSE of this model is more than 6,000. It's generally consistent with the explanation.
Data analyzer revealed that Airbnb's booking value and the average number of nights per booking are two key variables affecting the revenue of traditional hotels. Moreover, Airbnb's revenue correlates significantly with hotel occupancy rates. By calculating mean, standard deviation, maximum and minimum values, we uncover the pattern in the market's demand fluctuation between sharing economy platforms and the traditional hotels. To better illustrate these differences, we conducted a trendline analysis of hotel occupancy rates and revenue per available room. A positive correlation was observed between these two variables. Additionally, a dual flexible trendline was used to compare Airbnb's revenue growth against traditional hotel revenue. While traditional hotels generate high absolute revenues, Airbnb's growth rate is significantly fast, especially in the mid to low-end market segments. This suggests a complementary demand dynamic in competitive markets, where Airbnb's flexibility and the cost advantage align with consumer performance, where high-end hotels maintain their market position through service quality and exclusivity.
Is our results and discussion. Firstly, Airbnb revenue growth. Secondly, traditional hotel recovery. Next, market relationship and complementary. And then, volatility and market impacts. Before last one, impact on low-end and high-end markets. And the last one, future outlook. Now we go into the next page. This is our conclusion. Airbnb as a sharing economy platform has had an impact on the traditional tourism hotel industry to a certain extent. However, the relationship between the two is not merely competitive, but rather exhibited a degree of complementary. Airbnb occupies the mid to low-end market with its flexible business model. While high-end hotels, due to their stable customer base and high-quality service, are relatively less affected, demonstrates a stronger relatively compared to the traditional hotel industry. In the future, with the continuous development of sharing economy platforms, market supervision is particularly important. It is necessary not only to ensure fair competition in the market, but also to protect the rights and the interests of consumers. At the same time, we should further tap the market potential, optimize the development strategy, and promote the sharing economy platform and the traditional hotel industry to achieve realized win-win and development. Thank you. This is our group's presentation, and thank you for your listening and paying attention.